Divya, what is this Clubhouse? Yeah, everybody's talking about it. I switch on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and then I see this message that do you have a Clubhouse invite? So much so that the world's richest man, Elon Musk, has explored this.
Okay, so let me tell you about Clubhouse. It is an audio chat room, and you have the chance to be in conversation with your favorite celebs on Clubhouse on different topics that you want to be part of.
Wow, this really sounds cool. But Divya, is this like just an audio app and it does not have a scope for, a video or a photograph mode?
Okay, so the thing about Clubhouse is it's all audio. There is nothing visual about this app because the only thing that you can put up on this app is your profile picture and nothing else. So it is just audio, and you can have different kind of conversations on a whole host of topics that you want to be part of on the app.
Wow. Okay. Divya, let's do something interesting. How about we switch our conversation to Clubhouse?
Okay, so you win here, Karishma, because when it comes to the Android versus the Apple conversation, Apple wins over here because only Apple users have access to this app. It's only available on iOS in its private beta version, and Android users sadly do not have access to it. So that's one thing. And the other point is that you can only send 2 invites per user. So Karishma, I would be careful if I were you about who I'm going to waste my invite on.
Okay. Well, okay, Divya, here's this deal. Now, I've finally figured out the concept of, Clubhouse app. I've got this friend who sent me an invite and I've joined Clubhouse. So tell me what's next.
Okay, so once you're back on or you've joined Clubhouse, what you get is a whole host of conversations, list of conversations, and you can choose among them and you can follow these. And as and when you follow more of these, your suggestions on Clubhouse also come to the tune of your liking. But it's sort of like Instagram that, when you go to the explore option in Instagram and you start watching one video and then you get multiple suggestions on the same lines, right? So it knows what you want and it keeps feeding you with more of that.
Wow, okay. So I am trying to understand this, Divya. This more looks like a podcast, which is an all audio app, right?
Okay, so here's the deal. It is not recorded. None of it is recorded and stored anywhere. So there go your privacy concerns. You're not going to have any. It's more like you have to be there to know about it. Otherwise, you missed it. So that's the only thing. None of it is recorded and you just have to be there.
Wow, this completely sounds cool. I mean, look at this. Imagine this, Divya. You are logging in a webinar, and this is more like an audio webinar where you get in. And in this audio webinar, you can participate in panel discussions. You can participate listening to the celebrities. You can ask questions. You can raise hand if you have a doubt, and none of this is going to be documented. This is completely cool, and I'm totally game for it, Divya. In fact, you know what, Divya? What I'm going to do next is just go to my social media and ask one of my friends, to send me a Clubhouse invite because I'm an iPhone user.
Okay, I hope I make it on Clubhouse too someday. I mean, I just hope for it.